I had a great time at the Yorkshire Show. What a farrier competition this was. This was the heavy horse shoeing class. We had to make 2 horseshoes. One shoe is to make them fit this big gentle giant, and the other is a specimen shoe made by Gav Golby. An absolute work of art it was. And we have to get all that done in 70 minutes. The class is really tight. You are going hell for leather. But what a kick. I've got to say, the adrenaline was rushing through the blood. It was an absolute honour to share the floor with such talented farriers. Some of these farriers I've looked up to since I started this career, so it was a real privilege to be making shoes alongside them. It was a really nice atmosphere, even though we are technically all competing against each other. Everyone wanted each other to do better, and we're cheering each other on, which is really nice to see. I'd like to say a big thank you to Adam Fox for organising and running such a smooth competition. And the judges, George Rogerson and Gav Golby, thank you for taking the time to look at my